All right, you can keep working if you're still working. I'm just going to work it out because these take a little bit of time. So it says write the first 4 terms of the sequence that begins with 1. So A1 would be 2 over 2 plus 1, 2 over 3. A2, 2 to the second over 2 to the second plus 1, 4 over 5. A3, 2 to the third, sorry. 2 to the third over 2 to the third plus 1, 8 over 9. And A4, 2 to the fourth over 2 to the fourth plus 1, 16 over 17. So 2/3, 4/5, 8/9, and 16/17. Again, in that order, it'd be how you'd list them. So like, I actually think I'm not going to give you a quiz on this stuff. I might just, we will stop and review like we normally do, but you don't need the extra quiz, so I might hold it. But you would, a test question, you would just list them all on the line. 2, write the first 5 terms of the sequence defined recursively. Remember, recursively, you need the number before it. So it will always give you that first one. A1 is 9, and then I want to subtract 4 from it. So A2 would be 9 minus 4, which is 5. A3 would be 5 minus 4, which is 1. A4 would be 1 minus 4, which is -3. And A5 is -3 minus 4 is -7. What's happening, friend? All right, simplify the factorial expression. Have a good weekend, Jordan. 10 times 9 times 8 factorial gets broken down to 8 factorial. These cancel, and it should just be 90. And then find the sum. We start at the bottom number. We stop at the top. So we're going to find where we're going to find A2, A3, A4, and A5. So I get 2 over 3. I get 3 over 4. I get 4 over 5. And I get 5 over 6, sorry. What's the common denominator between 3, 4, 5, and 6? What do they all go into? 60. Okay, so this has to be, well, if I wanted to get to 60, I have to multiply by 20. So 40 over 60 plus, I'd have to multiply by 15, 45. 45 over 60. I'd have to multiply by 12, 48 over 60. And I'd have to multiply by 10, 50 over 60. So I get 90, 45, 135 plus 48, 183 over 60. And then God bless you. I check to see if they're divisible by any of the same numbers. Obviously not 2, but what's the trick for 3s? God bless you. Add up the digits. Does 1 plus 8 plus 3 equal a number that's divisible by 3? Yep, it's 12. So this would be 61 over 20. So it reduces, okay? I'm not saying you're going to get big numbers, but make sure you check them. Questions? Okay, we're going to talk about a project. It is not on your to-do list because it is due in 3 weeks. Okay, due 3 weeks. You do. From today, which is also movie night day. The first Friday of your 4th quarter. Okay, so it is a 4th quarter quiz grade. I'm going to have you jump to Canvas so that you can kind of look at while I go over things. The video explaining this project is embedded within the assignment. So I'm going to stop today's regular video because that is a separate video.